Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying power and basic settings. Plug in the laptop or ensure battery is above 10% because Windows may limit brightness on low power. Next, open Settings, go to System, then Display and look for the brightness slider. This is the quick control. If the slider is present, move it and observe the panel. You're done. If it's missing, don't stop. You'll update display drivers in the next step to restore control. Now you update the display driver because missing or generic drivers often remove the brightness control. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and right-click the GPU or Intel graphics entry. Choose Update Driver and let Windows search automatically or browse to a driver you downloaded from the manufacturer's site that often resolves missing features. Once done, restart the PC to apply changes. After reboot, go back to Display Settings and confirm the slider returns. Also verify adaptive brightness isn't overriding manual control. Finish by checking Power Plan and Quick Actions. Ensure the brightness tile is visible in the Action Center and turn off adaptive brightness under Power Options if present, because it can auto-adjust and hide manual control. Run Windows Update to fetch optional display drivers, and uninstall any recent display updates if the issue began after an update. If the slider still fails, roll back the display driver or use system, restore to a known good point. That typically restores brightness control when other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.